Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We're doing the 762 by 39. As you see, it's 75 yards. We're doing the flower punch. We got the bag of flour, got about a 1-inch board behind it, and we're going to see what kind of expansion and what kind of damage we got to the board afterwards. So y'all stick around and see how it goes down. Alright, here we go. We got the flower punch hitting the 1-inch board, hitting the flour, expanding, hitting the 1-inch board, and does not feel. Yep, I can feel the warmth. We just got stuck in the first pair of jeans. I can feel the bullet right here. I can dig it out. It is 762 by 39, hitting the flour and expanding, and then hitting a 1-inch board at 75 yards. Got the little denim imprint. Let's see what the minute. All right, here we go. Got the 762 by 39. This is the flower punch. We're back at the Hacienda. Anyways. Battery's going dead on that one. Let's pull this out. Let's see what we got on impact. We got from tip to tip at the edge of the crater, as you see, pulling in. We got 1.14. If y'all are reading that. And as you see, we basically just expanded and split the board. Whoops. And this is what we got coming out the backside, what it's looking like. Nice little punch hole through. Not much. We got, as far as expansion going, 0.56, 0.55, and 0.59. Top to bottom is roughly 0.42. And then we got, alright, let me get this, 0.25 right there. Let's see on these 123 grain, what we have left on the weight is what we're doing. 123, we got 112.6, so that's not too bad. That's a flower punch test with the 762 by 39, the hog specials. These are basically power points at 75 yards. So there you go.